Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a just listed 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home. Hang out and check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 3389 Sheik Drive. This is a pool home. It was just listed for $485. Nice top of town location. No junk around. Nice lake shot down the street. So it does have gated side parking, RV boat parking. There's parking on both sides of the house. So this one's not as wide as far as the side parking and the gates at the rear, but you could still get a trailer or something on the side there. Let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1991, 1,697 square feet. Does have vaulted ceilings, a split floor plan, nice open living. Sits on a pretty decent lot, 12,197 square feet. You have a little bar set up. Dining area, pretty big kitchen, has laminate counters. A lot of pantry type storage. So you have your master off the kitchen and living area. Has vaulted ceilings. Slider out to the backyard pool area. You have your master bath, has dual vanities. A walk-in shower and a walk-in closet. So you have the other 2 bedrooms and a guest bath and laundry at the other side of the house. Just going to call this bedroom number 2. This bedroom's at the front of the house. Has a little walk-in closet. So yeah, bedroom number 3, also at the front of the house. Same side of the hallway, a little bit smaller. This bedroom also has a walk-in closet. So you have a little laundry room at the end of the hall. And then you have your guest bath basically behind the kitchen. It's pretty good size for a guest bath, has dual sinks, tiled shower. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. All right, so the garage is currently set up as a 20 by 20 with the standard 7-foot door. A lot of built-in shelving. Little built-in workbench at the back here. So they had added a room to the back of the garage and they ran air conditioning to it, the house AC. So if you remove this, you could get a 32-foot boat deep bay back. Currently have their water heater or water softener out here. All right, so you have a pretty big backyard, covered patio, decent sized pool, a little shed back here. Here's your gated side access. It's probably about 9.5 feet wide or so. You can get a car or trailer back here. This looks like a pool shed, just the pool equipment stuff. This is a gunite pool. It's not in bad condition, needs a little bit of TLC. Again, it's a pretty big yard. The lot's 12,197 square feet. Your gated side RV boat parking. Don't forget about the horseshoe pit. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Sheik. Again, this one was just listed for $485. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.